it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. We're in Menominee Falls today, and we're going to take a run in and see what we can find to upcycle. I love picking up old frames and art to turn into other art using our decoupage papers. These are a few of the pieces made by me or my team that we use old frames or artwork to turn it into something else. Pretty cute, huh? This frame I think would make a great upcycle, and I found the misses around too. But I didn't have an immediate idea for it, so I decided to leave it. This I thought about getting for the hooks, but it was $5, and I think those hooks are probably about $1 a piece, so that wasn't worth it for me either. This is one of my storage rooms that I started cleaning out last night, and the gals are going to help me more tomorrow. Look at all of the frames and things I have. This is just a fraction of it, so I really need to pare down because I'm overwhelmed and can't make sense of it. I filled these boxes last night to take to Goodwill as we start our cleanup. So I want to practice smarter thrifting so that I'm not stuck with all of these things that I'm gonna get to. Does anybody else feel that? My plan is I want to try to grab things that I can thrift and turn around and show you that same week. There's not going to be thrift flips this week as much because I didn't get to filming all of them, and I had some custom work I did instead. So let me show you some of that because it's a pretty good before and after. And for those of you keeping track, our friend Bunny is still there. This week I finished these for Katrina. These French provincials had a lot of potential. We used plaster in the IOD fronds, put some ferns on it. Aren't they cute? They are a really good flip and an example of why I love doing what I do. These little signs are great candidates for flipping and using either decoupage paper or transfers. Here's a thrift flip I did earlier this week. This was a really cool tray that was a chalkboard, and I didn't even have to paint the back. This is the Collage de Fleurs transfer, and it makes it so easy to make your own art, you guys. I am reordering more transfers on Tuesday, and I can't wait for you guys to come and play with some more. It's time to start painting those nativities so you're ready for the holidays. We use weathered wood or prairie gray and a little bit of dry brushing of white, and they turn out so good. Bring yours to open paint. Come hang out with us. And this sign inspires me. I am working to try to calm and still myself. Come join me in October for an amazing class. I whipped this little guy up on Friday night, and it's available on my website. I think it's really cute. What do you think? This jewelry box has a lot of potential. It just needs a good paint job, and we'll get to that soon. Or if you'd like to come in and paint it, message me. We'll hook you up. I do not need any baskets. I do not need any baskets. This thing I almost grabbed because I put mason jars in it and use it for holding my paintbrushes with a little water in them to paint and to rinse between coats. Meet my new friend. I'm calling Gert the Goose. I'm going to give her a paint job and see if I can find some clothes to dress her up like a cement porch goose for this season. Stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on Gert. It might not happen right away. But what is happening is our flea market next Saturday, 10 to 4 on the 4th, and the weather looks like it's going to be really warm. So I hope to see a lot of you out there. We've got 14 vendors, and I'm going to be dropping some teasers of what they'll have later this week. We've also been cleaning out our garden area, so I have no business looking at any of these pots, but it doesn't hurt to look, right? I'm also not really looking for greenery because look at all of it that I have. It's spectacular. I like this little picture, but the flowers looked a little bit too cheap to me, so we're gonna let it go. But that would be a good thing to put a transfer on. And I did not get this, but I was tempted to. It's about green bean casserole. My mom always brings a green bean casserole. Do you guys? Before we go, I want to tell you a couple things, show you around the shop. My collab with Goodwill is live. I'll leave a link in the comments or the description. We had fun in Thursday's open paint. I made some witches out of old Christmas trees. We now have stick crayons. They're very cool. And my team and I were busy upcycling all these different things just to keep things fresh and new, all for you guys. We've added a few craft kits for kids. The paint is included. All you need to do is get your kiddos and have at it. Remember, things change every day in our shop, and we don't even know what we have sometimes. That's not true. It's all on our website, inventoried very professionally. Get your craft on. It's good for your brain and your body, and it makes your house cute. And my custom painting is filling up for the holidays, so if you have something you need reloved and you don't want to do it, message me. Let's get it knocked out now before it gets super crazy. That's a wrap. I'll see you soon. Take great care.